I, on behalf of the school, take the opportunity to convey my heartfelt greetings and best wishes to you all on 25th Foundation Day. I also express my sincere appreciation to all of you who generously helped, dreamed to make this event come together with tireless effort in the same journey. The celebration also provides an opportunity to reflect on the past achievements of the school as well as introspect on the preparations to meet the challenges that lie ahead. Here is the activity report of school from 1996 to till date, praising the journey of Donipolo Vidyaniketan from the years of inception, indeed a very modest and humble beginning, to a full-fledged school today. Donipolo Vidyaniketan encompasses pre-primary to primary, elementary, and now recognized as secondary school. The journey has taken us to the height or the flights we all wanted to sprang through. The building, which was earlier termed as Dharamshala with a greater effort of society, social leaders like late Sri Golgi Bote Talom Rukboji, efforts of parent and guardian from the surrounding, wanted to create it a school which will be imparting value-based education to the generation country needs today. With a humble beginning, the school has laid its foundation stone with zest and zeal under the guidance of Sri Ranjit Kumar Shahuji as first Pradhanacharya along with his 5 numbers of teaching staff. Began pre-primary section from classes LKG to 1 with an enrollment of 89 students. R.K. Shahu sir, with his visionary guidance, ran the school successfully from 15 July 1996 to 16th April 1998. And from there and then, school has grown leaps and bounds and stands proud with an enrollment of 375 students presently and never looked back. Donipolo Vidyaniketan Pasighat has grown its popularity from strength to strength under the able guidance of ex-principals. One of the most popular names should be proudly taken today is Srimati Shushmita Panda ma'am from 17 April 1998 to 28 December 2004. She also made her strongest regularity up to 2007 and till date maintains the attachment. During her period, the school had taken the land of Talom Lubbonagar, and I should report today that the entire team of Panda Madam has deducted the amount of their salary or honorarium to achieve the goal, which is incredible. The land presently where the institute runs classes LKG to 10. Moreover, the school buses are also the asset of that period. She has also taken the initiative not only in academics but also in co-curricular activities. The very first glimpse of the school's foundation day, celebrated in the year 1996, in presence of Sri Golgi Bote Talam Rukboji, which was a great moment itself. School has also made a good name in terms of sports or physical activity under the guidance of Sri Karthik Huang Long sir in the year 2007 and so on. I would also like to salute the ex-principals of that toughest period when school was availing the scheme of value-based education to the society. The principals like Anil Kumar K sir, Manoj Kumar sir and Srimati Mamta Rai ma'am, who is also the first teaching staff of the batch 1996, became the part of a whole to achieve the common goal. With a new endeavor, fulfilling the dream of everyone to come true, the longest term principal who has taken the responsibility on 9th of April 2009 to till date, Sri Vidyakant Jha sir, has taken an initiative of imparting all-round personality development through 5-dimensional education system of Vidya Bharati, includes Sharirik Shiksha, Yog Shiksha, Sanskrit Shiksha, Music Shiksha, Moral and Spiritual Education. On the occasion of its Silver Jubilee, it may be of interest to reflect on its activities which goes on parallel track, curriculum and co-curriculum successfully with an abundant advantages to the students. To take part is what counts in competition. The environment was successfully created by our Pradhanacharya sir by promoting inter-school, inter-house and inter-class competitions like quiz competition, debate competitions, declamation, creative writing, recitations, PowerPoint presentation of seminars and exhibitions on science and mathematics, collage and drawing preparations as well. I also take pride to report that our school has always achieved first prizes in national celebrations as well as social programs in public places or in general, like the tableau presentation on Indigenous Faith Day. Under the guidance of Jha Sir, PT, Samta, Nyuddha as well as sports have also scaled to its newer height. The school has made a good name in inter or intra-level state sports meet, which is also an important part of Vidya Bharati's education system. With the curriculum aspect, every Saturday is kept for promoting physical education among the students and empower the young minds, inculcating discipline as well. The school grandly celebrated all the religious festivals like Raksha Bandhan, Janmashtami, Bharat Mata Pujan, Saraswati Pujan, etc. to promote the peace, love and harmony across all the communities for strengthening the motto of unity in diversity. I feel proud to announce that the national celebrations like Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti, etc. has always been appreciated by the media as well as by entire township for keeping the students updated with the news and facts of day-to-day life. Our Pradhanacharya has also made the students to be aware of better habitable environment like Swachhata Abhiyan, cleanliness of surrounding, plastic-free campus, anti-cracker as well as anti-Chinese mission. I feel glad to announce that Shishu Bharati, Bal Bharati, Kanya Bharati are regularly practiced to widen the learning horizon and also for illuminating the path of positivity, to explore the best of their abilities. The senior girls also become a part and partial of the orientation program, workshops, Matri Sammelan, Girls Convention and acquired highest appreciation in the entire township. The most magnanimous evening is when school celebrates its annual day program, which gives the students an amazing opportunity to showcase their potentiality. Almost the entire students are tried to be kept on the stage in the gathering of 2,000 to 3,000 of spectators, which is the greatest achievement of the school. Both the teacher and the students group have also become a successful part of Arunachal Shiksha Vikas Samiti Foundation Day, held on 18th of November. School owes a deeper respect to the ASBS members for giving an opportunity to showcase our talent and to learn a lot of abilities to count so far. When we count today, the school which termed as Dharamshala or the rented building is fully oriented now by our own school and can proudly declare in this Silver Jubilee occasion that we have 2 numbers of plot of land which has been deemed so far as our own property. School has also got its CBSE affiliation and can smoothly run up to classes 10 in both the places as gender batch, which is itself a greater achievement. Our Pradhanacharya sir also made the students to feel the first taste of democracy and leadership qualities through voting in Students' Council election. Elected members are given the opportunity of celebrating Vana Mahotsav, World Environmental Day, Teachers' Day, farewell program of ex-students, etc. in their own style and manner. In short, along with academic studies, students are encouraged in games and athletics, art and craft, science feast, dramatics, creative writing like Wall Magazine, collages, etc. School also celebrates or practices yoga and music classes to culminate the hidden talent out. Recently, school has celebrated International Yoga Day by maintaining social distancing and by wearing of mask as mandatory to fight against COVID-19. Now, in terms of achievements, we are proud to report that our students have brought laurels to the school by their excellent results. We have achieved 100% result in state board examination of class 5 and 8 with 4 numbers of district toppers with more than 93% marks, which gave a special recognition of this institute in East Siang district and the state as well. The students of our schools are also taken for educational tours and Saraswati Yatra for making them socially self-dependent under the guidance of Sri Vidyakant Jha Sir. Under the commendable leadership quality of Pradhanacharya Sir and his team, the students enjoy computer lab, classroom library, science laboratory, music cell and smart classes so far. Making our students globally relevant is need of the hour, and with the same idea, school has introduced completely digitized curriculum through online offline video classes begun in this session for classes UKG to 8, 9 and 10 to fight against the pandemic year, and enormous advantages to almost 150 numbers of students in terms of syllabus have been reported so far by our beloved parents. We are equally glad to know that our students became Atmanirbhar by taking the video classes individually by completing the task beautifully. These are some of the memorable periods in the history of the school so far, until we have miles to go together with a common goal of reaching at the top with determination and aim. Towards the end, I thank the school managing committee whose continuous support to our ideology of education has enabled the school to come this far. Teachers now in team, teachers were in team, and many more unfolded names and entire staff members also deserve applause and honor for their tireless effort in shaping the map of quality education. I also extend my special thanks to Sri Krishna Jesse sir, the senior most teacher, our Tika Maya Sonar, the staff for till now being with us in this never-ending journey from last 24 years. The teachers who are sharing last 10 years efforts like Ms. Savita Sangma, Anjana Dasgupta ma'am, Pankaj Kumar Das sir, Montunath sir, myself, Sharmista Chaudhary, is also feel lucky enough that we have witnessed this auspicious moment and got the opportunity to serve till date. Thank you, school. I also express my heartfelt thanks to our beloved parents and guardians of our students who have shown unflinching faith in us by giving us the opportunity of molding the clay as in the shape of useful future generation the country needs today. Thank you everyone. Stay home, stay safe. I pray to the Almighty, the Donipolo, for the well-being of each and everyone who worked like a pearl of the strings. May God bless you and your family. Thank you.